This tutorial is about simplifying where there are indices involved or square roots or roots. The first one, we're going to first of all deal with x over 10 and x over 6. So we subtract the powers and that's simply x over 4. And with the rule of square rooting a power, you must halve the power, so that's going to be x squared. This one here, the 2 over 3 can't be simplified any further. However, this x here is actually x to the power of half, and if we subtract the powers, that would be 5 subtract a half gives me 4.5, or 9 over 2. It's another way of writing that, so therefore we write it as x to the power of 9 over 2, because we don't traditionally write x to the power as 4.5. Next one here, think about this power flying in to everyone, the half to there to the half to there, and it's multiplying. So 64 to the power of a half is the square root of 64. That's what I'm saying. 64 to the power of a half equals the square root of 64, which equals 8. So there's 8. Halve the 8, x to the power of 4. Halve the 4, y to the power of 2. The next one, we need to expand this bracket first, so we're going to have a squared b to the power, and remember this is flying in, so it's multiplying, b to the power of 6 over b c to the power of 3. So it's a squared b to the power of 5, because we can cancel off one of those, c to the power of 3. Now below here, these three quick questions are just simply gathering and dealing with powers. You do 4 times 5 is 20, so that's 4 times 5 is 20, times 3 is 60. So that's the numbers all dealt with. Now you add the powers. 2 subtract 3 is -1, subtract another one is -2. But they've asked for positive powers, so therefore we write it as 60 all over a to the power of 2. The next one, remember this little 2 flies into everything. So where we have 4, we now have 4 to the power of 2 is 16. We have x to the power of -6 and y to the power of 4. Now to write that with positive powers, we'll have 16 y to the power of 4 on the top line, and on the bottom line x to the power of 6. The last one down here, dealing with this -4, so everything has to be to the power of 4, but it's -4. So straight away I do 1 over and 2 to the power of 4. That gives me 16. The negative makes everything go to the bottom line. Now this one here is actually, this x to the power of 3 square rooted, can be thought of as x to the power of 3 over 2. So when we multiply that by 4, we get x to the power of 12, because 4 3s are 12, over 2. Now that can be written as 1 over 16 x to the power, and 12 over 2 is 6.